In this video, I will discuss about Amazon Athena. So what is Amazon Athena? Let us try to understand this. So Amazon Athena is an interactive query service that makes it possible to analyze the data directly from Amazon S3 using the standard SQL. So Amazon Athena does not require the infrastructure to set up or manage, and customer only pays for the query they run. So Amazon Athena can process the structured as well as unstructured and semi-structured data. So basically it is a query service that we can query from Amazon S3 using some standard SQL queries. So let us try to understand further. So what is the Amazon Athena cost model? So we need to pay per query. So whatever query the user is going to execute, so we need to pay for that. So $5 is going to be charged per TB from S3. So DDL queries and queried queries are not going to be charged. So this is the diagram that will help you to understand this. So Amazon S3, we are going to take the data from that, and we need to build a table. After building the table, we need to execute the queries, and after executing the query, we can analyze by using the Amazon QuickSight. Let us try to understand the features of Athena. The first feature is like faster execution. So we can execute the queries very faster. The complex queries can be executed very fastly. The second one is like serverless. So what is serverless? So analysts do not have to manage the underlying infrastructure. The software automatically handles the configuration and updates, and easy implementation. So where uses the distributed SQL query engine, which is optimized for the low latency data analysis. So the fourth one is like the security. So what is the security here? So security is nothing but Athena uses the AWS identity and access management. So Amazon S3 bucket policies and access control list. And fifth is like integration with other services. So what are the services like Amazon Glue, Amazon CloudFront? So these are some of the services that Athena is going to integrate. So high availability. So it provides high availability where it is services are available all over the time. Pay per query. Only the queries that we are going to execute will be charged. Federated queries. So it enables to execute the queries across the relational, non-relational, and custom data source. And the last one is like flexibility. So can run multiple queries simultaneously. So what are the limitation of the Amazon Athena? So the first limitation is like no indexing option. So there is no indexing option. Indexing commonly appears in a traditional database. Without indexing, operation load on the Athena increases, affecting the performance. So no indexing option. Stored procedures and parameterized queries are not supported, and do not support querying the data in S3 glossaries. So Athena can timeout. You suppose say if the data set is larger, so Athena can timeout. Requires the partitioning in order to enable the efficient queries. Data must be partitioned and must be managed within its needs. And the row and column size cannot exceed the 32 megabytes. So these are some of the limitations of the Amazon Athena. So what are the data types that Amazon Athena supports? So one is like CSV, where is comma separated value, JSON, ORC, optimizes row columnar, Apache Parquet, and Apache Avro. So these are some of the data types that are supported by the Amazon Athena. So what are the services that Amazon Athena integrates? So one is like AWS Glue, AWS IAM, Elastic Load Balancing, Amazon QuickSight, AWS Cloud Formation, AWS CloudFront, Amazon S3 Inventory, and Amazon Virtual Private Cloud, and AWS CloudTrail. So I'll try to discuss some more in the next video. Thanks for watching.